guys? We just had a nice dinner date. Here's Kim's car, a little EcoSport. We walk out of the restaurant we was at, and there's an actual Ferrari parked beside of us. Like an actual Ferrari parked here. Just this one single wheel alone, just that wheel in the rim is probably worth more than her entire car. And then over here, got a Porsche or something over here. It looks beat up, but really that's just the paint job that it has. And then here's Kim's car. It's dusty and dirty. We're about to go to a car wash now. We should have went first before we came here. But I seen this car, so I had to film it for you guys. Actual Ferrari. It's the first Ferrari I've ever seen up close. That's all for this one. We love y'all. God bless y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Check this one out. McLaren. It says new toy. It's purple and carbon fiber McLaren. The wheels look like some type of either Damascus steel or carbon fiber. The back says new toy as well. And here's a matte black Tesla, and then another Tesla, regular Tesla. And down here's a Mercedes, but this is on a whole nother level. This is a completely different class of car than those other ones. The engine's in the back, just like the Ferrari. Out of all the cars that I've shown in this video, this is probably my favorite. Either this or the Lamborghini that I seen, but you can only see the very back of the Lamborghini on the video. But if it come down to picking either this or the Ferrari, I would probably pick this if it was me. I'm not saying that I'll ever be able to afford either of them. I'm just saying that I would rather have this one, honestly. It's a beautiful car. That's all for this one. Y'all let me know in the comments which car you would pick, or what's your favorite one shown. We love y'all. God bless y'all. We'll see y'all in the next one. Hello everyone. We're just strolling down the street. This is like a shopping street where people come here to get really cheap stuff. And we walk out and there's just an actual Ferrari here. So I figured I'd start a video to show. I'm going to add it to the piece of my other Ferrari video. The back of it. Look at the engine in the back. This is the engine in the back of it. And that's where you put in the gas too. I think you gotta pop the trunk part and then you put the gas into the top. I wanna see who's driving the Ferrari. He probably got out to either go to this shoe place or one of these shoe places here. Anyways, y'all let me know in the comments, what do you think is the best car in this video? Because there's gonna be multiple cars, Ferraris and other cars, Lamborghinis and so many other things. So y'all let me know, what do y'all think is the best car in this video? Look at this Porsche with the racing stripe. I'm pretty sure that car people who has really nice cars, they like it whenever you film their car, because it's like, it's basically a compliment to film their car. And this is a very nice Porsche. So I'm gonna put this on my collage of car videos.
It says going to MTR is going on, but you want to go back to the shore.
We can go there.
Show the lights on the other side. It's nice.
Okay, if you want to, that's fine. For some reason, most of the cars here are either taxi or luxury car. Here's a Mercedes. I've already seen 2 Ferraris and a Lamborghini just while going through, but I haven't had my phone out. And this car is parked, so that's the only reason I had enough time to get my phone out. Okay, there was a BMW. I'm pretty sure that here comes a different Lamborghini, like I think this is the Urus. Or that's actually another Porsche there. But I've seen 2 really nice Ferraris and like a super nice Lamborghini. Like a new model Lamborghini. And that's just within like 10 minutes. Here's another Porsche there. So that's it for this one. I think this is a 911. Okay, there's went another Porsche. And here's another Mercedes. So it's like a minivan Mercedes. Like you could just sit here and just watch luxury cars go by all day. There's another Mercedes back there. There's a BMW. That's all for this one. Just another clip for the car video that I have. So I love you guys. We'll see you on the next one.
That's nice. Look at the
Everybody, we're just here at the gas station and I've seen this Lamborghini pull out in front of us, so I figured I'd start the video to show y'all, to add this to the car videos. I wish we could get to the side of it or in front of it. There it is. It's like a new model Lamborghini. Maserati. This is just a part of the luxury car vlogs. It's called GT Maserati. I don't know why it's parked here, but it's really cool. So just figured I'd show it. I got a so many other really nice cars. I'm gonna put all together, the clips of all of them, and I'm gonna add it into one video. So this one will fit very nicely. I've got a few Porsches that I've showed, a Ferrari, and now a Maserati. This will be the first Maserati on the list that I've shown. Look at the front of it, it looks so nice. The symbol. It looks kind of like a Porsche. I've got a few Porsches that I've shown, but anyways, that's all for this one. This will be on the same clip with all the other luxury cars. I love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all in the next one. This is another part of the car video. Nice looking BMW here, so I had to show it. And it's the convertible. What is it? A BMW Z4 201. Not really a big fan of BMW, but it is a very nice car, so I figured I'd add it to this video showing all the luxury cars. Y'all let me know in the comments what's your favorite car out of all these videos, or out of all the cars that I've showed in this video. What car would you like to have? Besides the Ferrari, of course, that's the best one, I think. That's like the obvious choice for most people. So besides the Ferrari, what car would you pick? Okay, that's all for this one. Hope y'all enjoyed the car. Love y'all. This is a Porsche. Super old model Porsche. If y'all can see the name here, I'm not sure. This is the oldest Porsche I've ever seen in my entire life, by far. Anciently old Porsche. This thing is from the Dark Ages. I think this is from like medieval time. This might be like the first car ever made. That's just jokes, you guys, just so you know that's a joke. Classic old Porsche though. It looks great to me. I would ride in this any day of the week if it was running. These, Kim said that these have been here for like years though. They're just for display. Look at this one with the old school white walls on the tires. That's classy. I'm not sure what this is. This might be like a Mercedes or something. It's got the little triangle thing. Let me know in the comments if y'all know what brand this is. Maybe like an old Mercedes maybe. But this one is definitely a Porsche. It says Porsche. Inside of it you can see the interior. But these are just for display. They still look really nice inside too. The interior just looks perfect condition. Oh, so it is like a Mercedes. It's called the 180D. And this one's just a Porsche. That's all it was then. That's all for this one. Stay tuned for the next car coming up next. Hello everyone. This is going with the other videos of all the cars. I've been like not really looking for luxury cars, but every time I see like a really super nice car, I try to make a short video on it, and I'm gonna put them all together and make like a collage of different really nice cars. And this is a Porsche that I've seen. It's a Porsche Panamera. Y'all can see there. Porsche Panamera. It kind of looks weird on the back, how it's like minivan kinda. Not really a fan of that, but besides that, it looks really cool on the front. The front of it looks sick. Sure, y'all see it in the other parts of this video with the other nice cars. That there was like a 911. There was 2 other 911s that's going to be in this video too, and I think those ones look way cooler than this one. But this one is still very cool. The rims look really nice. It's a nice little luxury car. Here's Kim's car. It's a Ford EcoSport. But this is like at a really super nice mall where there is lots of luxury cars. There's like Ford Raptors everywhere that you look. There's like one right there, I think, and then there's like I don't know what that is, but it's probably a fast car. But sometimes you see like McLarens and like Ferraris and stuff in here. But if y'all was wondering why we was here at this place, it's like all like luxury stuff. This is why we came here, for the LV. If y'all was wondering. I've had this one for a while. This is Lamensite. And then we just got this one. It's a gift from Kim, Pacific Chill. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing on those later. But anyways, back to the car. The Porsche Panamera. I'll go ahead and end it here. I'm not gonna stand here too much longer videoing his car, but I just wanted to show y'all this nice Porsche. I'm gonna put it with the other videos of the Ferrari. I got a video of a Ferrari that was parked beside of us and other Porsches and stuff. But love y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see y'all in the next one. Hello everyone. Here's another time where we came out of the store. We was in the mall here. Here's restaurants where they sell like clones and stuff. And we come out and there's a Porsche here, a lime green Porsche. Here's the wing on it. I don't know why, but every time we come out of a place, there's always a really nice car parked beside of Kim. The last time we went out to eat dinner, we come out and there was a yellow Ferrari sitting beside Kim's car. And now this time we go in, come back out, and here's a lime green Porsche. And here's Kim. Say hi to him. Yeah. She's got a drink in her hand so she can't wave.
Don't show the plate.
I didn't. She don't want you guys to see her plate number for some reason. But I just figured I'd show y'all this Porsche. It's not as cool or nice as the Ferrari. The Ferrari is probably 10 of these. The Ferrari is probably like over $1 million. You could probably get this car for like maybe 150,000, 200,000, and you could have this Porsche. But the Ferrari's easily $1 million. So it's close to 10 of these, at least 5 of these cars, price-wise. Well, that's all for this one. I just figured I'd show y'all real quick. We love y'all. God bless y'all. We'll see y'all on the next one.